notice about
He's
him?
cute.
You like him? You think he's cute? Good.
No, he's.
All right.
He's horrifying.
If you would like to, if you don't want to touch him, just don't put out your hand. If you would like to touch him, put out 2 fingers. Now let me show you something. Well, 1, he's going to tie himself to a knot because that's what he does. 2, have you ever petted a cat or a dog?
Yes.
Do they like to be petted from their tail to their head or their head to the tail? Which way?
Head to the tail.
Right, you sort of go with the direction of their fur, right? Otherwise it feels weird. Well, it's the same for Larry with his scales. If you try to pet from his tail to his head, it'll hurt, it'll feel really uncomfortable. So I'll show you the direction to pet before you pet.
Try putting him down and see if he will look around?
I won't, just because if he's on the ground, he's very fast. He would not hurt any of you, but there's lots of little holes around here, and he would just run away and hide from me because he's curious. So he disappeared quickly. Yep. So I'll let you pet him gently, okay? So it's gonna be this direction.
He's too busy on your arm.
What do you notice about how he feels?
Maybe we should see that. Feels like a fish.
He reminds me of how a fish feels.
Aww. He doesn't even at all look scared. He doesn't at all. Can I pet it? What is this little guy doing? Let's see if he can.
Mostly mice. So we feed him every few weeks. He doesn't have to eat as often as you.
Oh, he's smelling me.
He is. He's checking it out.
I don't want him to bite.
He won't bite you.
Won't bite?
I promise. He
No.
will not bite you. It's alright.
So cute. That was awesome. So just calm down and try to pet him, okay? He's a good snake. Me too, but I'm freak out.
Yeah.
Crichton, why don't you go on the other side of Lilith?
It's just a small snake. It's not a big snake on your shoulders.
Yeah. He was sniffing. I guess he's not bad. Well, I was touching my hand with his toe.
It's not so bad, Lilith.
Wait, can I try holding him and see how he reacts on me?
I'm going to hold on to him. But we're going to keep him out and we're going to talk about him a little bit. So on your new page, work with me. Thank you.
Hey, Larry. Oh, you're cute. I wonder. Hey,
What do you wonder?
maybe how fast is he?
How fast is he? That's a good I wonder. How fast is he?
Because
How old is he?
that is. Do snakes have snakes ears? Like dogs do?
Oh,
Like 7 years is
Okay.
They do have ears. They're on the head. I can barely see them. You can just not see them. Yeah,
His ears
but
are
they
like
can barely
holes.
hear. Yeah. So his best sense is like sniffing.
well, he's also more sensitive to vibrations than you are. So like, do you feel when there's footsteps on the floor? You know how you can feel
I
them?
can feel that with my
He can
hands.
feel them very, very well. Does anyone want to help me measure him?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. All right. You want to help me measure him? All right. So what I'm going to have you do. Where's my measuring tape?
Put it on the floor.
I did. Oh, here it is.
Stay still.
Here's my measuring tape. So what I'm going to have you do
And hold the
is hold it. Nope, I'm going to have you hold the
How
measuring
can
tape.
you measure him
Hold
when he's
that end,
won't
okay?
stay still?
Come here.
Careful.
He's long. Oh, he's like long.
So his tail comes to right about there, you think? Right about there? So what number is it between?
33 and 34.
So maybe 33 and a half inches. So you can write that down if you want. Thank you, you're very good helper.